should you ask people to subscribe? That's a question that a lot of people are asking these days, and it's worth an answer. That's a question worth an answer. I think that there are times when you should ask people to subscribe, and there are times when you should not ask people to subscribe. So when should you ask them to subscribe? In a short like this, when you're queuing up other content you're going to do, you should ask them to subscribe.
Yeah, I wouldn't agree with that 100% now, but make sure you stick around to the end. I'll explain that a little bit more.
So I would like you to subscribe to my channel. It's called Get the Word Out, and it's helping you as a Christian get the word out to the masses. I cover the theology and practice of online ministry. So you definitely want to subscribe for more content. Now, when should you not ask someone to subscribe? Well, first make sure you're subscribed, and then I will talk to you about when not to ask someone to subscribe. But you're going to have to subscribe to find out what I say. I asked a question in a previous video about should you ask people to subscribe? And I said it depends, because it does absolutely depend. I would say ask people to subscribe when you have content to give them that is valuable. Ask them to subscribe not only when you can articulate, you can communicate the reason why they should subscribe. Hey, I'm doing a series on this. Hey, I'm going to be talking about this. Hey, I'm going to be covering this sort of thing. So you should subscribe so you'll get that content. But what will they see when they go to your channel? Will there be a good channel trailer? Will there be good content on your channel? That library of content that I've talked about in other shorts. Be sure to watch those shorts and subscribe to get the word out, so you know what I'm talking about. And so you see new Get the Word Out videos. Those are all things that you should be doing. When you subscribe to Get the Word Out, I'll be talking about the theology and practice of online ministry, and it will greatly benefit you.
It will greatly benefit you, and you'll want to watch this video here where I talk about a little bit more subscribing, asking about whether asking people to subscribe in short form content specifically. I'm kind of changing my thinking about that just because of what we're seeing happen with shorts and long form content. So go watch it there. It's titled, Do Shorts Hurt Your Channel? And you probably want to know if shorts are hurting your channel. I'll give you my thoughts right here. I'll see you over there.